Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change display name on Zoho. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to change display name, what you need to do is open up your browser and on the search bar simply type in mail.zoho.com, right? And once you're inside, you'll be seeing your Zoho Mail homepage, right? In order to change your display name, let me show you what is your display name, right? Now clicking on new mail, you'll see a from section, right? And this whole is your display name. Now in order to change that display name, what you need to do is go to this settings icon or your gear icon and click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be seeing this pop-up option, right? Now on the left hand side, simply scroll down until you find an option that says send mail as, right? Simply click on that. And once you click on it, here you'll have an option to change the display name. As you can see, now in order to change it, simply select all and then change in your selected name. And now all you gotta do is then click on update. And once you do that, your display name will be changed, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching.